This is the amount of money that you will be paid right after joining on this website. If you work only 3 days in a week, and if you charge $20 per 1 hour, you can end up to $480 in 1 week. And if you charge $50 per 1 hour, you can end up to $1,200 a week. The very good thing about this website is that you can join this anywhere in the world. You can be in America, Asia, Europe. You can still join this, and you can use your mobile phone or you can use your laptop to join on this platform, and you can start making money. I've seen a lot of good reviews. People are saying that they are making decent amount of money for what I'm going to show you right now in this video. And this is how this website works. A lot of people, they just need somebody to talk to. A lot of people, they need somebody who they can go to have dinner with. Other people, they don't want to watch movie alone, so the only thing they can do is to have a friend who they can watch movie with. This is how it is. But also, let's say that you have moved to another place and you really don't know the environment very well. So the only thing that you can do, you can go to this website, which I'm going to talk about right now. This website is going to connect you with anyone who is looking for an online friend, and that friend can get paid just by becoming an online friend. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can join on this website and how much you can get paid just by becoming an online friend. And the good thing about this, you can enjoy having a company and still making money. So let's stay together and see how this website works and how much you can get paid in a week and how much you can get paid in a month. It's very easy. It's available anywhere in the world. Hello friend, welcome to the channel. My name is Hans David. I talk about side hustle and how to make money online. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. So this website is called rentafriend.com. This website is trusted by millions of users. As you can see here, there are a lot of people. They are here to make friends, and at the same time they're making friends and they're getting paid a decent amount of money. You can see all these amazing users. They are here to make friends and get paid. So I'm going to show you how you can become among of users on this website and make a lot of money just by becoming an online friend. So let's see how this works. So all you have to do, you need to go to this website, rentafriend.com, and then you have to scroll down. As you can see here, you have to scroll to the end of this page and click right here. Click here to become a friend and get paid. And right here, you're supposed to write your real name. You're supposed to write how old are you. This is very important because somebody who is coming to look after you is going to consider how old are you. But also, you are supposed to write the place that you're coming from, and it's very important to write your current location because this website is going to recommend the current location that you are right now to anyone who is going to rent a friend in a certain area. So if you're currently staying in South Africa, you have to write there South Africa. And if you're from New York, you have to write there New York because this website is going to recommend you to anyone who is looking for a friend from New York. So this is very important to be real and to write anything about you. So in here, you have to explain more about you. What do you like? What are your hobbies? Anything that you think it will attract somebody who is coming to look after you, you have to write there. You have to write what do you like, what you don't like, you have to write there. And this is going to help you to attract a lot of friends to come and ask for you. So this is very important to notice that you will be able to choose how much you're going to charge, because I've seen a lot of people, they're charging starting $25 up to $30, but if you have unique features, you can charge more money, up to $75, $100 per 1 hour. So let's say that you have met these new friends and they really want to speak the language that you speak. So for you to teach them, they may have to pay you extra amount of money for you to teach them. So this is very important, and I've seen a lot of people, they're making decent amount of money just by doing that. They're teaching language, they're teaching how to cook, and they can get decent amount of money just by doing that. Let's say that you're just going to do this for more than 2 days or 3 days in a week. You can end up to $300 just by doing that. So I did encourage you to go ahead and try this website. This is a very trusted website, rentafriend.com, and I'm going to show you this another website that you really don't have to meet with one another, but you can just chat online and you can get paid just by doing that. And another website is called Fiverr Friendship. This website is going to connect you with your clients. Let's say that Many people, they want to talk different things about life. They want to talk about love and relationship. So you are going to be on this platform to give advice, to talk different aspects of life on this website to different people who they would like to talk to you, and you can get paid. It just depends on how many hours you are willing to talk to them, and it can be about 30 minutes, 45 minutes. It just depends on how willing you're ready to talk with your clients, and just by talking to them and providing good information to them, just having one-to-one chat, you can have decent amount of money. You can get paid up to $25 per 1 hour or $30 per 1 hour. It just depends on how much you're willing to charge with these clients that you may want to talk to.
Your aspirations, maybe your setbacks. I'm also a spiritual master, so I will help you out step by step. Talk to me.
So I've seen a lot of people, they are creating these profiles on Fiverr and they're making significant amount of money. So you have to go ahead and try. The good thing about this Fiverr friendship is that you really don't have to meet one another. You're just going to chat. You are just going to have a video call with, but you don't have to meet one another. It's different with my first website that I've mentioned in this video. So you have to go ahead. If you're really afraid to meet with strangers, you can go ahead and try this website and see how much you are going to make just by doing that. So this is all for today, and I'm really happy that you're happy right now. Thanks so much and happy holidays.